A 6-year-old girl is brought to the clinic for evaluation of malaise and low-grade fever for the past 3 days. In the last 24 hours, she developed sores and pain in her mouth. She also had vesicles on her hands and feet. Her past medical history was benign and her immunization history was up to date. Her oral temperature was 36.1. Physical examination revealed severe erythematous macules in the oropharynx and small oval vesicles with an erythematous base on the palms. What is the next step in management of the patient? So your options are ribavirin, supportive care, aspirin, corticosteroids, and penicillin.
So basically, this is hand-foot-mouth disease caused by Coxsackie virus. So the main treatment for this is just supportive care. All right. There is no drug which is used for its treatment. It is just supportive care. Okay. But yeah, and for Hep C also. All right. But it is not used for your hand-foot-mouth disease. All right. Very good. Bronchiolitis, which is caused by respiratory syncytial virus, and chronic HCV. All right, perfect. Aspirin, corticosteroids, penicillin, I think these are easy to rule out. Few things which might have confused people in this question is like there are some diseases which have this specific feature of rashes on palm and sole. Anyone would like to tell me which diseases? One is Coxsackie virus. There are a few other diseases which you should know from USMLE point of view and which can confuse you in the main exam. So basically, Coxsackie virus, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and secondary syphilis. These are three diseases which are usually present with rash on palm and sole, which involves the palm and sole. All right. So how you can differentiate it? Like for Coxsackie virus, it's pretty direct. They have given over here low-grade fever, developed oral sores. All right, oral sores and pain in her mouth, which is not found in the other diseases, and macules in the oropharynx. All right, this part is common for all the three diseases. Now, how will you know whether it's talking about Rocky Mountain spotted fever, secondary syphilis, or Coxsackie? Coxsackie, as presented in this question, talking about Rocky Mountain spotted fever, there'll be usually a history of travel to an area which has the tick bite history will be present, and the question might be presenting with you a headache, fever, rash, all that. High fever, yes, geographical clue, very good. That is what I said. There'll be a history of travel, and they'll usually give you a history of tick bite or something like that. Okay. So for secondary syphilis, what will you have? Usually they'll be giving you a history of sexual history will be given, then a past history of an ulcer, penile ulcer, or something genital ulcer will be given, painless genital ulcer. All right. And then you will have your rash. This is the rash which they have talked about, hand, foot, same like hand, foot, and mouth, somewhat similar, involves the palms and sole. And one more thing will be there, condyloma lata. All right, and your arthralgia and all that things will be there, but these are the main things which help you differentiate out. So these are the three differentials which can trouble you. Okay, and this is what is written over here. Usually that's all you need to know.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.